Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the fresh food door gasket in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver, some petroleum jelly, and a heat gun. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new fresh food door gasket. Sometimes the gasket will be twisted and deformed because of the packaging. You can stretch it in the sun if you got one, or put it in the bathtub with hot water. The fresh food door gaskets provides the tight air seal around the fresh food door, keeping the warm air out. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it wears out, splitting and breaking along the warm air inside. This causes moisture buildup on the inside of the compartment and possible frosting of the airways between the freezer and the fresh food compartments. To get to the part, we need to open the refrigerator door. Using the flathead screwdriver, pry out the old gasket and remove it completely. This is the old fresh food door gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Clean the mounting groove before the installation of the new gasket. Get rid of the kinks and bends in the gasket as we suggested earlier, and start installation from the corners. Push in the sides of the gasket. Make sure that everything is installed properly and then close the door and check the gasket. If it's not laying flat, use the heat gun or the blow dryer to shape it up. Be careful not to melt the gasket. It makes no sense after all these efforts. If for some reason you don't like this gasket, burn it before the installation. Put some petroleum jelly on the gasket and leave it there for a few days. That will help to shape up the gasket. And close the door. And plug the refrigerator in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.